Hey friends, if you wish to debloat your computer for free, then please watch this video. I will guide you through all of the procedures. First of all, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Now go to this tab, the fourth tab here, the Startup tab, and expand it. You'll find a lot of services here. So if any service is redundant or any startup app is redundant, right click on it and select Disable, whichever is enabled. The second solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. I'll explain how we do it and what it means. Search for system information, so system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, click on apply, on OK, and then click on restart to reboot your system in the clean boot state. Now in the clean boot state, all third-party applications will be disabled, and in this case you will be able to isolate the cause with any troublesome application. The next solution is to uninstall unnecessary applications. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, click on installed apps in the right pane. Now in the sort by section, select date installed. All of these applications have been arranged according to their date. A few of these applications can be uninstalled and a few of them cannot be. For example, I don't like Adobe Acrobat. I'll click on the three dots associated with it. I'll select uninstall and then I'll click on uninstall once again. But this is something I could do with Adobe Acrobat. I might not be able to do it with Windows Photos or the sniping tool. So it depends on the application. Now, for Windows specific applications which cannot be uninstalled, which come along with the package, we have another method. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. We have Windows PowerShell written here. We need to click on run as administrator, and when I click on it, I'll get a prompt which I'll click on yes. Okay, now the elevated PowerShell window is open. In the elevated PowerShell window, we will copy paste all of these commands. I have mentioned these commands in the description section of this video. All you need to do is copy paste them. So copy and paste them. And when you do that, a lot of redundant software products like Windows Store, like Windows Photos, Bing Maps, and 3D Builder, People app, and Bing Travel, and all of these unnecessary applications will be uninstalled. This will speed up your system a lot, but if it doesn't help, if you still want it faster, then search for the word performance in the Windows search bar and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now, one option is that you can select adjust for best performance, and this will fix all the problems, but this will also harm the appearance. For example, if I click on apply, you'll see that the font is different now. So you can keep a few of these and you can uncheck whichever is unnecessary for you and then click on apply and then on OK. After this, you can also perform a disk cleanup on your computer. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open the disk cleanup application. Click on OK. Now select all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK, click on delete files, and it will start deleting all of the unnecessary files. It will need a long time because your system has a lot of these files. After this, you can open the recycle bin. And if you find any files here, I don't have any files in the recycle bin, so I'll add a file. I'll right click on it, I'll delete it. Okay, click on empty recycle bin and click on yes. After this, you can delete the temporary files and folders on your computer. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary folder. Select all of the files here and hit the delete key. Click on cancel. Now press the Windows key and the R button together once again. Write %temp percentage and hit enter. Now select all of these files. Hit the delete key, click on cancel. Most of the files will be deleted except for a few. I will try to delete them once again, and it needs administrator permission, so yes, I will continue and then I'll cancel it. Okay, after this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command prefetch and hit enter. Now it says you don't have access to this folder. I got access by clicking on continue. I'll select all of these files. Okay, it's a very long list. So I click on one file and I press Ctrl plus A. Now I'll hit the delete key and all of these files have been deleted. So I'll click on cancel. This is going to speed your computer at least 3 times. It will make it 3 times faster unless your computer was already fast and it didn't have a lot of bloatware. But if it had bloatware, then these procedures will make it thrice faster. If this video was helpful to you, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.